Hey guys, here we are on GA. Just want to show you the ideal setup, the way it looks. This is almost perfect, except for this little chunk here. But if you look in this area when this signal comes out, if you look to the left, you're going to see this long liquidity here. So that's kind of what we're aiming for. We have in the back of our mind that it just wants to fill that in quickly. So once it crosses this horizontal line here, the last little bit of resistance, you can see it really just has a no drawdown type of move. And then the second line we look for crossing is this one here, just a bit of a trend line. So those two trends is what this signal generates for us. So this is the ideal setup. So if you entered somewhere around when the signal came out and you have your tight stop loss set up, wrote it all the way down, there's the R4 to 5 about. And then something similar over here. So you could have taken even this one here, but you see this here, and that's kind of a signal to you that it's a little bit too rough. So you wouldn't have taken that one. Or you could, it just adds more risk. Maybe you want to have your stop loss a little bit higher. But this is the ideal setup that we usually look for. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.